This is real talk.
Real talk.
Who have the hits them? Nobody but blood clot. Me! Remember that. One side to the landslide. Believe no man. None of that. It's.
Hey yo people, welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk. Real Talk, where we discuss everything Jamaican. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like and comment. So today we're going to talk about the new age of dancehall during social media, the fan base and how them receive the music during the social media era. So masicka, new slang now is it's. But comparing to other dancehall artists before him, does masicka really have the hits to be beating him chest now and say, yo, if you want hits, him you look to for all of the hits. Nobody else give you hits, like what you hear him say in the van back when the police them a pass. So what is going on with this new age of dancehall? Like, does the fans crave these dancehall artists like them used to, or does the fans now attention is more divided, probably by TikTok and other platforms? Like back in the days when you know say a radio and CD, you know say your favorite artist, that's all you focus on, your favorite artist. But I guess nowadays the fans them attention is more divided and it's more zoning into whichever artist are them favorite artists. So say masicka are your favorite artist, you can just go up on Spotify and just listen to masicka alone. Say Vybz Kartel your favorite artist, you just go up on Spotify and you listen to Vybz Kartel alone. I'm gonna try not to mention Vybz Kartel as much for reference in this video because it's not a Vybz Kartel masicka comparison. You know, if you compare a Vybz Kartel with masicka, it's like you play one game for the first time and the first stage you fight the final boss. Like you don't get to figure out your inventory and the movement of the game and the gameplay, you just jump to the final boss. So that's what it is when you compare these dancehall artists to a Vybz Kartel. Yeah, you have to go through whole heap first and them not go through level 1, level 2, level 3 and them jump go to the final boss. So that is what it is. So I'm going to try my best not to compare Vybz Kartel or use any Vybz Kartel references, but we can use other artists. There's other history, there's other data. There's other history and there's other data that shows when you have a favorite artist, you usually crave for their music. I'm not getting that from a masicka right now. Like if masicka don't drop a song, you don't hear people on social media say, yo, when is the next masicka? Me need to get the next masicka because the last song him drop, him go hard night. The verse him sing, him go hard night. So I want to hear where him come with next. You don't hear that. Like back in the days, let's go as far back as even Red Rat. When Red Rat just bust, him have a unique sound. Him have a unique voice. At first people that hear that kind of voice, them sound like one kid and that girl Shelly and oh no, so you want to hear where Red Rat come with next. Like if Red Rat was a favorite artist or you just a dancehall lover, you say, yo, the kid are unique, the kid are new. You want to hear where him come with next and you not have no patience. Him just drop a song and by the next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, you want to hear where him come with next. You say, yo, the next Red Rat not drop yet. Same thing with Alexis, and fast forward up to now, like a more earlier generation, when Popcorn did have party shot, like Bulko, in the era there, you want to hear where Popcorn come with next. Straight up to when him do World Cup, and then when him do your two idle. Right during the time there, you want to hear where Popcorn come with next, like you're impatient. That is what we used to before this social media. So I'm asking, does masicka have that fan base we crave for the next masicka drop? Or masicka fans settle? When I say masicka don't have no fans, masicka do have fans. But him fans not give me the feeling they like. But him fans not give me the vibes they like. Them crave in music. Like, go back again in time, you have an artist named Baby Sham. Baby Sham will drop 2 hits for the year. Baby Sham not have no fans. So Masicka fans would have come like Baby Sham fans. Whether Baby Sham drop 5 songs for the year or 1 song for the year, it no matter to them. Nobody now say, yo, when is the next Baby Sham song? Like we are crave for the next Baby Sham song. No, people just know say Baby Sham drop a song this year and next year you gonna hear back from him again. So, it no matter. Alright, so let me fix up the statement before people address it in the comment section. So, Baby Sham and Masicka, they do have a fan base, but what them don't have is a hardcore fan base. Them don't have the core in hardcore. So they don't have that core fan base where I demand them music, where I demand them to drop the next music. So as I say, when I compare a Vybz Kartel, but Vybz Kartel is the definition of him fans them a crave for music that's him will even drop 5 songs for the week and people still want more. You're not getting that from a Masicka. Let me go back again to the new millennium. So after Popcorn, you would have Family. If you're a Family fans, you want to hear what Family come with next. Like, you don't have no patience. Him just drop a song this week and you go on meds it for the whole week, the whole 2 weeks. You want to hear what I come with next. That is generally for every artist. If you're a fan of an artist, if you make this artist your favorite artist, you're going to crave their music. So let's move away from dancehall a little bit because this go for every genre. So we're going to rap. Nicki Minaj is my favorite female rap artist. When Nicki Minaj in her prime, you can't get enough of Nicki Minaj song. So when she drop a song, you say, yo, the last song Nicki Minaj drop, she go hard. The song go hard. The verse, it go fast. What she gonna drop next? So yeah, anticipate when Nicki Minaj gonna drop next. The next song, it gonna go slow. It gonna be a collab. The way how we crave Nicki Minaj song, we even start out for the collabs them. So if we can't get fair song, we find which song she collab on. We are not getting that from a Masicka where claim say him have the hits, on top of hits, and anybody have the most hits in a dancehall is Masicka. That's what he's claiming, he's beating his chest, but we are not getting that. So what is it? So what is it with this new generation? Are the fans' attention divided? That's the question I'm going to ask. So what is this with this new generation of dancehall artists? We have the TikTok, the Instagram, they have all of these tools to their disposal, but it's like the fans now go crazy enough. Even at stage show, you really not see that fanfare like back in the days with a Capleton, a Elephant Man, a Beanie Man, a Bounty Killer. Even a Beanie Man and a Bounty Killer. So we never did have to go so far back, but even Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, you wait for the next Bounty Killer song, you wait for the next Beanie Man song. Wait to go sound like, is it gonna be a gun tune? Is it gonna be a girl tune? A reality tune? What? That's our expectation. We anticipate what is gonna be the next Beanie Man song. You might go this Bounty Killer. You might go sing something about girls. The girl them sugar. What is gonna be the next Beanie Man song? With a Masicka, I don't get that anticipation. I don't see. Remember, we are in the social media age. We don't see people on the Masicka page ask, yo, when you gonna drop the next song? Yo, what? Oh, we not hear nothing from you. Like the only time we ever get an anticipation from Masicka is when him do Tyler and Puffy. Like him core fans them, they want to hear part 2. But after that, we don't have no anticipation. Nobody not really anticipate what is gonna be the next Masicka song. Is it gonna be a girl tune, a gun tune? Him gonna diss somebody? What? Nobody don't care. So if him drop a song 6 months ago, like we don't get the hunger from the fans. You can go over him page and you look, you don't get the hunger from the fans. In the comment section say, yo bro, when are the next music? When are you gonna drop again? Nobody is not hungry for a Masicka song. So why is he saying him of the hits them? Is the bar getting lower every year? The new generation bar is getting lower. Because as I say, we don't want to compare a Vybz Kartel. But imagine a Vybz Kartel in him prime and him don't drop no song for like 6 months. A pandemonium in a dancehall, everybody gonna ask, yo, what happened to Vybz Kartel? But with a Masicka, him can drop whites last year and one whole 6 months passed before him drop Rich Sex. And you understand? So answer me in the comment section. Are the fans' attention divided, or we are not getting that real quality stardom from the artists nowadays, where people are fan out, where people are fanatics, fan out over the artists them like before? Leave in the comment section what is really going on, or if you just settle for if Masicka drop or not. So it's like neither here or there for you. So leave in the comments if you don't care if Masicka drop 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. It's neither here nor there for you, cause that's what I'm getting, and that is why I do the video and ask, yo, the bar low or what? So Masicka, me hear you not walk the walk, you talk the talk but you not walk the walk. Compared to man where did I run the place, Bounty, Beanie, Vibes Cartel, when them I run the place comparing to you who say I run the place, no, the bar is very low. But we have reached the end again, people. Please like, comment and subscribe. Set the notification bell to all, so when I drop a next video, you'll be notified. And you can check out my main channel if you want more dancehall content. The link will be in the bio, or it would be collaborated.
This is Real Talk.
Real talk.